What if Blizzard never released World of Warcraft Classic? Millions of players would have abandoned retail servers completely. Private servers would become the only way to experience vanilla WoW. Illegal fan-run servers would dominate the entire MMO landscape. Blizzard would lose their most profitable nostalgia revenue stream overnight. Retail subscriptions would collapse without classic players keeping them alive. The message would be crystal clear. 15-year-old game design beats modern innovation. Players chose bootleg servers over official content. The gaming industry would witness something unprecedented, a company accidentally destroying their biggest franchise, all because they refused to admit their old game was superior. Blizzard would have killed World of Warcraft by ignoring what players actually wanted. Pride would have cost them everything.